Gosh, this pole is just bent over. I wasn't paying attention. It's been a while since we've had a bite. Oh, we got something nice. Allie, I think we've got something nice. What is it? Big old red, I think. Big red. Big red. Yes! On our bait! On our fish taffy! Yes!
He's nice.
Isn't he? Huh? Yeah.
Did we get a picture?
Yeah. Big red on the new bait.
He's over 22.
Yep, he's going back.
He's too big to keep?
I don't know, I don't have a, I need to get another tape measure. I can't. Big old red. Sending them back. There he goes.